Hello everyone, and this is part 4 of changing the subject of a formula, and I hope you're having a great day. It's currently raining outside, so you might hear a bit of rain. Yep, but maybe when you're watching this, it's not raining, and maybe you missed the rain. Anyway, this is question 1. What's so different about these questions in part 4 compared to part 1 and part 2? The main difference is that, remember, when we want to make something the subject, right? We actually think of, let's say you want to make A the subject. Then it means A on one side, everything else on the other side, and there is no A, right? And so in this case, you look at this question, you want to make A the subject. You might be like, oh, we already have A. Oops. You will say, oh, we already have A on one side, but we also have A here. We cannot have this A here. Yeah, we didn't see this in previous questions. So we need to expand, try to move the A to one side, and then isolate A again. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's expand. So it's B times A is AB, and B times B is B squared, and then it's divided by C. What do? We still have A here and here. So you know what? We can't move this. This A is kind of stuck there. So let's multiply C on both sides. AC equals to, these two cancel out, AB minus B squared. Maybe this holds some promise. So we have A here. Let's move all the things with A, all the terms with A, let's move it to one side. And everything else, let's leave it on the other side. Now let's factorize out A. Right, really take your time to see that step, by how we factorized out A. And then, now this part you probably can do. Just divide both sides by C minus B. And we're done. And now let's go to the next question over here. We want to make A the subject once again. And you can see it's kind of tricky because we have A on both sides, right? And so once again, if we don't like this denominator over here because it makes this A stuck, so let's get rid of it. You notice we always try to get rid of the denominators. They're always trying to get rid of it. Now it's very similar. Just move everything with A to one side, factorize it out, and then divide it over. You're done. So I'll reiterate, move everything with A to one side, and then factorize out A, and then divide the rest over, so that you can get your final answer.